Hello everyone, this is Paul Harvey from TradeAlgo, where we harness the power of advanced computing and elite artificial intelligence to bring you an edge in the stock market. Our focus is dark pools, the hidden trading arenas of big banks, institutions, and hedge funds. These are places where significant trades happen, away from public eyes, often leaving retail traders scrambling, but not anymore. Here at TradeAlgo, we are all about leveling the playing field. Our cutting-edge AI sifts through massive amounts of data in real time, monitoring the large, medium, and small cap stocks of the stock market in both the trending up and trending down sides of the equation. Let's go ahead and dive right into TradeAlgo's top picks of the day. So popping up on the TradeAlgo trending upside, we have ARM. ARM, $168 billion stock, doing a 9% growth here today alone. Now, there's no surprise when this stock had done over 152% of the amount of normal institutional activity that it's normally going to get. Going and following along here with ARM, when TradeAlgo is going to recognize banks, institutions, and hedge funds trading ARM through private exchanges, we'll see here at 8:10 in the morning is when TradeAlgo's artificial intelligence picks up on ARM. This is 8:10 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. Going and following along and having the news that banks, institutions, and hedge funds were trading ARM since 8:10 in the morning would have yielded you over a 10% return on the equity itself. Now, going and following along with the options contracts, it's no surprise when ARM today had $2.25 billion in institutional transactions. On a 7-day average, they're only doing about $1.48 billion. Going and following along here today with any of these call contracts going into the triple-digit returns, going and following along here with the $175 call option, you would have yielded yourself a phenomenal day. These contracts did over 600%, but even if you would have gotten late, you could have grabbed yourself a 394% return here in the market. It's not all about grabbing a 394%. Even if you had a limited amount of time to go and grab ARM and still do a 77% return, having access to TradeAlgo's dashboard, you would have still done phenomenal. Going here and following along with TradeAlgo today again, you're also going to see the opportunity to Dell popping up on top of the TradeAlgo dashboard here 2 days in a row. Dell is on top here in the morning with over 285% institutional trending up volume. Dell's growth lately has been absolutely parabolic. Going and following along since when TradeAlgo recognized Dell yesterday, you would have had a phenomenal day. But just trading Dell today, you would have seen that at 8:15 in the morning, TradeAlgo picked up Dell for a second day in a row and put it on top of the TradeAlgo dashboard. Now, going and following along with Dell Technologies, as TradeAlgo recognized today, they did an additional $3.26 billion in institutional transactions on a 7-day average, or they're only doing about $1.14 billion. Going and following along here, you'll see these options contracts have done absolutely phenomenal. We'll go ahead and take a look at both ways here. If you would have found Dell yesterday or today, getting into Dell here today would have been a phenomenal opportunity, going and grabbing a 503% return on the stock option itself at the maximum. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we're not chasing 500% returns. We're just looking for consistency. Even getting in for a shorter amount of time for 134% is still phenomenal. Thank you very much. We'll be utilizing the next generation of artificial intelligence every single day. Stop getting your information too slow. Start utilizing the same systems that banks and institutions used to get in the market for the last 20 years. Thank you very much, and we will see you tomorrow.